how to set alarm, sounds, or ringtones in guided access on iPhone X. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to accessibility. In accessibility, scroll down again, and below here in general section, you can see the guided access. Okay, you can go to this and make sure the guided access is on. So to turn on this, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side, and you can see here the time limits. Okay, you can tap this, and now you can see the alarm sounds. The alarm sounds is set into none. So you can change or set the alarm sound into ringtone by tap this and scroll down, and below you can see the ringtone options. And okay, you can scroll down for more. So I decide to change the alarm ringtone into circuit. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully set the alarm sounds or ringtone and guided access on iPhone X.